Okay, this is my assignment for GPT. Uh, Click run. Would you would you what would you like to ask? Uh, what is informatica?
Informatica is a term used in various Slavic countries, particularly in Croatia, Slovenia, and Serbia, to refer to the field of computer science or information technology. It encompasses the study and application of computer systems, software development, data management, networking, and other related areas. Informatica education typically covers programming languages, algorithms, databases, operating systems, and computer hardware.
Okay, finish. Thank you.